Hi, this is Dr. Ta once again after a pretty long time. This video is regarding the city, which city you should select for residence in in Denmark. If your main concern is about the cheaper residence, then you should select any other city other than Copenhagen. If your concerns is about the more job opportunities and the schools language the better language schools the schools over there are also cheaper, are also good in regards of the teaching language, but the thing is in Copenhagen, because the majority comes here, so the schools are better over here in terms of they have some intensive courses, the summer courses as well, where you can go faster, and majority is here, so we have a word over here, like we can talk with the schools, because many of us, many medical related peoples are here, so we can go to the faculty and we can talk with them. We want to go fast, or we want to have this changes or things like that, yeah. And the other thing is that if you're traveling to some other country, and if you are coming back to Denmark, the international flights, most of them are from Copenhagen. So if you are living in another city, then you have to travel to the capital, and then it's also harder, you not only have to travel country to country, then you have to travel within the country as well before reaching your home. And yeah, there are more people living here in Copenhagen, so there are more job opportunities here in Copenhagen. uh, but it's expensive for sure. It's much expensive over here. Groceries are same, but it's expensive. uh, yeah, I think you guys should have your answers. And regarding my life, how is going, I'm not uploading any vlogs as well these days. Actually, the thing is that I was in summer course. I did module 2 in summer courses, and those were the time when there it was holiday time as well. I was overworking, I would say, like I was working more hours in that time as well. So I was quite busy, and I didn't find any topic, and I didn't figure it out about this topic at that time. I talked with many people, and then I realized that this is the information that everyone should know before finalizing which city they should go. And regarding, if you want to know that how expensive will be Copenhagen and other cities, like the rent in Copenhagen will be minimum 10,000 for the family, and it will be 4,000 for the 4,000 to 5,000 for the individual. But in other cities, it can be 6 7,000 for the families. It's a huge difference. 4,000 kroner is a huge difference for some newcomers. But as I have described before, the languages or the language schools, only the school in Copenhagen, they offer the summer courses in which you can go fast in your language. And yeah, there are more job opportunities in Copenhagen. uh, and if you want to know about the jobs and expenses, and uh, you can view my page, my channel, and see over there. Yeah, thank you so much.